What's going on, you guys? Welcome to Ape and Hodl. I want to get right into this because I hate waiting for tutorials to start with intros and stuff, so I'm going to get right into it. There's this site here, support.avax. This is going to be showing you guys how to add Avalanche onto your Metamask. So you got your Metamask here. We're going to go to our click down thing here, and there's going to be an add network button. So we're going to click on add network, and then we got our site here, support.avax.network. I'll put the link in the description. So we got our names and things here. So we just copy and paste them into our MetaMask box. If you guys like this content, please like and subscribe. Mean a lot to the channel. I'm just getting started here. I want to be spreading some knowledge, what I've been learning, what I've been having, what I find to be kind of like difficult, or if there aren't really clear videos that show you how to do it, I want to show you. And I think after this, I want to show you guys how to wrap AVAX, because I had to kind of figure that one out. I couldn't find a good video for wrapping AVAX, and wrapping AVAX will help you. Sorry. Okay, so we got the symbol here. Chain ID, you put in here. Currency symbol. I guess this is optional, but you just go boom. You paste it in here, and then you just press save. Boom. There you go. Got your Avalanche network. You can come here. You can come back to your Ethereum network. This isn't one of my main wallets, so I don't really have anything in it right now. But I'm going to show you guys, I want to show you guys how to wrap AVAX. And what I didn't know, what I learned messing with some NFTs, is if you want to make an offer on an NFT, it has to be in a wrapped AVAX. If you want to, and this is the same with Ethereum on OpenSea. If you want to make an offer, it's got to be wrapped. If you're going to purchase, it's unwrapped. So it's pretty confusing. I didn't know that at the time. It took me a long time to figure it out, and I got really afraid that my money was just going to disappear. But you can wrap AVAX on Trader Joe, which is really cool. Thanks for tuning in. If you like the tutorial, you like this video, like the content, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, whatever, do all that great stuff. Really appreciate it. And I'll be trying to bring you guys some more fire content. We will be aping and hodling until then. Later.